Hello everyone, my name is Sanjay Tagon. I'm a college student at Durham College, and today I'm going to talk to you about what plagiarism is, focusing on direct plagiarism, its consequences, and most importantly, how to avoid it in order to hand in a successful paper or assignment. If you're in high school, you probably heard the term plagiarism before, but how many of you actually understand the meaning of it? Personally, I learned what plagiarism was in my last year of high school. That's why I think you can benefit from this presentation. If you want to know about this, please continue watching. So what is plagiarism? According to the University of Oxford, plagiarism is presenting someone else's work or ideas as your own, with or without their consent, by incorporating it into your work without full acknowledgement. In other words, it's using someone else's words or ideas by not giving them credit. So there are different consequences of plagiarism, but that depends on your institution. So at Durham College, there are three branches of consequences depending on how many times you attempt to plagiarize. If you do it once, then you will be directed into the first branch, in which the student will have to complete a series of activities regarding the academic integrity models, and also the student will have the possibility to repeat the original assessment or our alternative assessment. If you are caught twice, then you will be directed into the second branch, in which you will be removed from the course with a grade of F. If you are caught a third time, you will be removed from the program and you will be expelled from college for 2 academic years. There are different types of plagiarism, but today we're going to focus on direct plagiarism. So, direct plagiarism is a word-for-word transcription of a section of someone else's work without attribution and without quotation marks. This is according to Boydon College. In other words, is when a student takes short or long sentences from one text and copy them in their paper as their own. So let's see this example. So at the left side of the screen, we have a section of a paper written by Natalie Butler, in which she is explaining the basics of nutrition. At the right side of the screen, we have a sample of a paper written by a student. As you can see, the student committed direct plagiarism because he used one of Natalie Butler's ideas without crediting her. It doesn't matter that the beginning of the paragraph was written by the student, because at the end, they used a part of someone else's work. Even though it's just 3 sentences, that is still direct plagiarism because they did not credit her. So in order to avoid direct plagiarism, you can do different things, but my 4 tips for the day is learn what plagiarism is, use credible sources, allow time to review your work, and make sure to use in-text citation. Always credit someone else's words. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a nice day.